देखिए, पेरिस में हमारी एक काफी स्ट्रॉन्ग टीम जा रही है एंड आई wish all the athletes and all the athletes going to Paris all the very best of luck. I'm sure that they have prepared very well and worked hard for the last many years, and now this is their moment. This is their moment to shine. So just want to wish them all the very best, and I'm sure that they'll make the country proud. Sport is also changing in many ways in India. We have a very strong federation run by Mr. Sumerivala right here. So athletics has become strong, not just at the elite level, but at the grassroots level. You have sponsors coming in, such as HSBC, which ably help the whole sports movement in India. So it's a good time for sport. देखिए, ये सब फर्क ही मैं बता रहा हूँ कि we have more support coming to athletes. We have better governance in many federations. We have corporate support coming in. Media का भी काफी interest है, not just one sport, but in many different sports. And more than anything, there is ये एक बड़ा young demographic है इंडिया में. इतनी हमारी जो population है below the age of 25, so जो sport की consumption है, whether more people are watching sport and more people are playing sport, and that is good to see. And in the years ahead, we need to see the playing population of India to also increase.
टोक्यो में मेडल की काउंट रिकॉर्ड का है काउंट, और आपको पेरिस में कितने मेडल की होप्स?
वो तो मैं एस्ट्रोलॉजर तो हूँ नहीं अभी वो but we won 7 in Tokyo. I'm hoping that we better that and come close to double digits or double digits. That will be great. I think there's a lot of talent. I think if you just speak about my sport, which did not deliver in Tokyo, it was a blank. We are hoping that they'll do well, and if they can get in a couple of medals which did not come in Tokyo, then we'll hopefully better or come close to Tokyo or even come close to double digits.
सर, ये जो नंबर है लगातार जो क्वालिफिकेशन के लिए बढ़ रहा है, क्वालिफिकेशन शूटिंग का हो या एथलेटिक्स का हो, लगातार ये नंबर बढ़ रहे हैं, आपको लगता है
तो दैट इज अ गुड साइन ना. अगर नंबर ज्यादा एथलीट्स जा रहे हैं, इसका ये मतलब है कि जो डेप्थ ऑफ टैलेंट है इज ऑल्सो हैज इम्प्रूव टू अ ग्रेट डिग्री in many sports, athletics, shooting, etc. Olympics, you cannot just go. Everybody who wants to go, नहीं से मैं भी चला जाता, but you have to be of a high level, and वो number increase हुआ है, which is a very positive sign.
Do you feel that? Do you have expectations? I mean, maybe some you feel that you can make it a hat-trick?
See, we all have expectations. I don't want to name anybody or put any additional pressure on anybody, but we are just hoping for every athlete who's there to simply go and do their best, and then hope for the best. Yeah.
So the sports persons are in federations like Arvind sir is a athlete. आपको लगता है कि ये भी एक बहुत बड़ा बेनिफिट?
Bilkul, and I have a great respect for Mr. Someriwala, who has done a wonderful job for athletics. I've been in constant touch with him, and he keeps telling me of all the great work that he's done. I'm mostly extremely inspired by the work he has done at the grassroots level. हम स्पोर्ट के बारे में खाली elite लेवल के बारे में बात करते हैं, बट इतने अब एथलीट्स जा रहे हैं टू द गेम्स, एंड जो हमारा स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ एथलेटिक्स है इम्प्रूव हो रहा है. दैट इज नॉट एन ओवरनाइट थिंग. इन्होंने जो काम पिछले 10 साल में किया एट द ग्रास रूट लेवल, दैट इज शोइंग रिजल्ट्स. ही हैज स्टार्टेड द वर्ल्ड्स लार्जेस्ट empowerment of coaches in the world. Adil, why don't you give some information on it?
The largest grassroots level. No, we run the largest grassroots level program in the world, where 650 districts take part. We have a district level program where about 1 million children across the whole country take part. It's the largest grassroots level program in the world. We bring them to our national championships, where more than 6,000 children take part, and that is only in under 14, under 16. From there we do a talent search, from there we do identification of talent, and if you see Neeraj, Hima, Duti, whoever you name, have all come out of this program. No, absolutely. You need the Abhinavs, you need the Neerajs, because till then our athletes felt that okay, we'll go there, we'll wear an India blazer, we'll participate. But they have shown us the way that yes, if a Neeraj can do it, if an Abhinav can do the same flesh and blood. There's no difference between Neeraj and anybody else who stands next to him. They eat the same food, they stay in the same location, they train at the same location. And if they can win, we can win. So I think it's a whole mindset change.
Thank you.